What is the process for resetting my space heater?
Hello, and welcome to our tutorial video. Today, we will be talking about how to reset your space heater. Space heaters can sometimes act up, and one common solution is to reset the device. We'll guide you through this process step by step.
Identifying the problem.
The first thing you should do is identify the problem. Is your space heater not turning on? Is it not heating properly? Or maybe it's making unusual noises? Identifying the problem will help you determine whether a reset is necessary or if more extensive repairs might be needed.
Safety first.
Before you start, remember that safety is paramount. Always unplug your space heater before doing anything else. We want to prevent any potential electric shock, and this is a must-do precaution.
Locate the reset button.
The next step in resetting your space heater is to locate the reset button. Not all heaters will have this, but many do. It's typically located on the bottom or the back of the unit. If you can't find it, you might want to consult your user manual.
Resetting your heater.
Once you've found the reset button, you can go ahead and press it. You'll typically need to hold it down for about 10 to 15 seconds. Once you release the button, the heater should reset itself. If it has a display, you might see some lights flashing or hear a beep. This indicates the reset is complete.
Testing the heater.
Now it's time to test your space heater. Plug it back in, turn it on, and give it a few minutes to start warming up. If it's functioning correctly, congratulations, you've successfully reset your space heater. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of resetting your space heater. Remember to always follow the manufacturer's instructions and take necessary safety precautions when working with any electrical devices. Thanks for watching, and stay warm.